welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of my holiday gift giving guide, I have something that is makeup girl friendly, something that if you love makeup, if you're a makeup connoisseur, if you wear makeup every single day, this is the gadget for you. Not only do I think this would be a great gift to give someone because it does not break the bank, it's under $50 and you get a complete set of all the tools you need to clean your makeup brushes. So I wanted to share with you guys the StylPro Clean and Dry Your Brushes in Seconds, and this literally is the thesis, okay? So if you guys are not familiar, I have over 200 brushes from Sigma, and as you guys know, I am a Sigma affiliate, and if you guys want to use my coupon code, it's JazzieJT10, and you can save 10% off at checkout. Make sure you guys check the description box out. I will have all the information down there. But you guys, I have over 200 brushes, and that is just insane. Trying to clean all of my brushes at one time, it honestly feels like a chore, and I know this is gonna sound so disgusting, you guys, but for a long time, I would go without washing my brushes because it just felt like a chore and it literally took forever. So when I came across the StylPro and it said that you could clean your brushes in like 30 seconds and they would be dry, I was like, hello, I need to try this out. So when it first came out, I wasn't too sure about it because it seemed a little gimmicky. The reviews were half and half. So now that I have my hands on this product, you guys, I can hands down say this is a purchase. You want to add this to your collection if you wear makeup on an everyday basis, or if you just love makeup, you need this tool in your life. So I have the Unicorn Pearlescent Limited Edition StylPro, and before I came on here, I checked their website. It normally retails for $49, but right now they're having a sale and it retails for $39, and it comes with the complete kit, which includes the makeup brush cleanser. This is their cleanser and conditioner. And as you guys can see, I've used about majority of the product, and I know it looks like I used a lot of the cleanser, but that's because I washed a lot of brushes the first time I used this. So it also does come with the bowl. Now the bowl looks like it's glass, but it's actually a really sturdy plastic, and this piece on the top comes off like that. And you're able to put the water in here first, and then you put this back on top and you put your brush inside. So it also does come with 2 makeup brushes, which I think is so nice, although I'm not sure if I will be using these brushes. As you guys know, I am a Sigma affiliate, so all of my makeup brushes I use are pretty much Sigma. And this is the main piece. You guys will be able to see it in full effect in my demo here shortly. So I wanted to come on here and share with you guys a few things that I didn't like about the StylPro, so this way you guys can kind of make a decision if you want to purchase this on your own. So the only thing I did not like about this, you guys, is the makeup brush cleanser. I found that I use my own cleanser instead of this one just because I feel like you have to use a lot of product to get it clean. Now typically, again, you guys, since I am a Sigma affiliate, I typically like to use all Sigma products, but that's just how I am in general. So I use the Sigma brush cleanser, but for the purpose of the video, in the demonstration, you guys will see me using this cleanser that it came with. I wanted to come on here and share this with you guys in my holiday gift giving guide because I feel like this is something that could really change your life if you wear makeup on a day-to-day basis. This could really simplify washing your brushes, and on top of that, one thing that really stood out to me that made me want to go ahead and purchase the StylPro is it does eliminate the bacteria off of your brushes, which I know for a fact because I didn't wash my brushes as often as I do now. I did have more bacteria building up, which in essence can cause breakouts. So you want to make sure you clean your brushes. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the demo. And if you guys like this video, before you go, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section below if you would use this product, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.